could be in two at once if I wanted to.
I want to be in there.
I'm interested.
I actually said sorry for that.
I think someone added you to the voice. Yes,
Here we go.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system with the area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 1 p.m. on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025 for the KHB 32 listening area. For the following